Hai, jadi hari ini itu Agustus tanggal 12 yang dimana hari ini adalah hari keberangkatan gue ke US and just by myself. Dan gue sebenarnya bakalan terbang itu jam setengah 10 malam, tapi kita bakal OTW ke bandara itu jam 5. Di sini gue pakai maskapai All Nippon Airlines sama United Airlines, jadi 3 kali naik pesawat. Dan perkiraan gue tuh bakalan sampai itu besok malam. By the way, sekarang itu di jam 3:04 siang hari, dan orang-orang di rumah itu ada Michelle, Bo sama Sinel lagi tidur. Gue di sini baru aja selesai mandi dan keramas, guys. Lagi di jalan. Semoga tidak ada yang tertinggal ya, guys. Melindungi kamu. Kita sekarang lagi ada di antrian untuk check-in bagasi. Nah, telat sebentar udah langsung
Antri panjang
banget antrinya. Mau ngeliat nggak, guys? Ntar kita tunjukin ya. Sekarang di sini
ada kali.
jadi sepanjang ini nih adalah kelas ekonomi.
Kalau nggak tongseng,
Nah, yang dikit itu bisnis kelas.
tapi kalau tongseng ya, kalau saya kalau itu
Bukan. Udah video ini. Videonya ini. Alright guys, no update from me. So, gue udah ada di gate-nya dan masuk pesawatnya. By the way, tadi kita nangis-nangisan, sedih-sedihan, dan I didn't have time to record because I was really late to check in my baggage, and there's a lot of things that happen, and now I'm on the way to the plane. Gue duduk di seat. Oh my gosh, gue di sini. 39A.
楼的国际线转机安检处，请确认您的随身物品，不要遗忘在车内。下车。
Alright, jadi setelah proses panjang, gue sekarang menuju ke gate di mana gue transit alias menunggu. How am I gonna say it? And by the way, gue lagi di Jepang now. And next flight is around 10 local time. Ya, sekarang gue menuju gate di mana gate gue tuh 106. Jadi gue jalan lurus aja. Jadi gue udah lagi menunggu di gate 106 seperti yang tertulis di boarding pass. Tulis 106. Nah, boarding time-nya tuh jam 10.20, tapi sekarang tuh jam 8.33. Nah, di sana tuh ada line sebenarnya. Gak tahu mereka penerbangan jam berapa, tapi of course it's not gonna be my flight time gitu kan, karena it's too early gitu. Nah, I'm so grateful because this place has free Wi-Fi that I can connect my phone to and text and call people that I love, you know. And this is gonna be the second flight, and it's gonna take time around like 12 or 13 hours to go to Washington. And from the Washington, I have to take all of my suitcases or my bags and then go to Orlando, Florida for 2 hours from Washington. And then there you go, I'm finally arrived. It's not even a half of my trip yet right now, but I'm still excited even though I'm kind of ugly now. I'm bored, I'm sleepy, thirsty, I'm hungry. Sekarang jam 10.15. Kita ada di antrian. Ini tadi isinya nasi sama ayam. Ini cookies and cream. Ini kayak daging mentah, jadi aku gak makan. Terus ini sayuran dan asin banget. Tadi minum. Oh my gosh, so from 12 hours flight for this second flight, it's going to be 3 more hours left, you know. And it's my second time to go to this toilet because the temperature was kind of cold, and then I drink a lot of water, you know. And you know what? I didn't wash my face, didn't brush my teeth, and now I look so freaking messy because this is the makeup that I used, that I put on yesterday, and I didn't wipe it off because I don't have time, and I have some of my hot and micellar water. It's in my suitcases, and it's really impossible to take it off from the suitcase. Basically, I'm going to pee. sebelah bangku gue nih makan nasi ya kan. I was like, what? Why did I get pasta, man? It's fine as long as it's chicken, you know. Terus kayak ada kayak chickennya tuh dilumurin apa gitu yang putih-putih yang bikin agak crispy bread. Terus mereka kasih kita buah nanas 2 potong sama apel 1 potong, terus sama 1 yogurt, dan yogurtnya sedikit asam. I tasted it but I don't finish it. And they offered me what kind of beverage that I would like to drink, and I said yeah, just water please. And then they pour the water into the cup, and then I finished it. And then when the girl came to take all of my stuff, you know, I asked for some water again and zero. By the way guys, time to destination itu 1 jam 28 menit lagi to Washington, oke? Karena gue masih harus transit menuju Orlando, Florida, dan dari nanti kan berhenti di Washington tuh gue nunggu 2 jam lagi, itu jam 10 local time kita bakal landed, dan sekitar jam 12 local time gue bakal terbang lagi ke Orlando. Karena perjalanannya cukup jauh ya. I don't know how long did I sleep. I think it's only 1 or 2 hours. Can you imagine that? Jadi pesawat pertama kita kan dari sini nih Jakarta kan, terus menuju ke Jepang nih, Tokyo, Haneda. Terus my second flight tuh dari sini ke Washington, so freaking far. Oh my gosh. And we're almost arrived here. Seven more minutes. My gosh guys, after the second flight, the 12 hours flight, I was super busy to get to the immigration. And then after that I went to baggage claim, dimana gue tuh harus masukin bagasi sendiri lagi, self check in ke maskapai baru alias United, karena maskapai sebelumnya tuh kan pakai ANA. Nah terus by the way, pas di imigrasinya gue tuh nggak ditanyain banyak, cuman ditanya where you come from, terus gue kasihkan paspor gue, terus terus gue kasih paket yang terus gue kasihin paket yang dari US Embassy di Jakarta, oke? Untuk pemegang K1 visa. Terus gue kasihin aja tuh. Terus ditanya, oh so you come here for marriage? Yes, I said. Oh, so is this your first time coming here? I said yes. And then how much money do you bring? And I was like, oh my gosh, 450. Karena gue tuh cuma punya sekitar 5 jutaan. Jadi gue buletin aja 5 juta dibagi 15.000, sekitar $450 gitu lah. And it was not a problem. Terus setelah itu ditanyain gue bawa gift gak buat your fiance. I said no. And that's it. And terus setelah itu udah baggage claim, masuk. Terus ini security checkpoint ya kan, sama sama cek sama apa sih? Sama ngecek barang bawaan kita yang bakalan ada di bagasi ini gitu. Udah. Setelah itu kita dibawa naik shuttle lagi untuk menuju ke pesawatnya gitu. By the way di sini gue duduk di seat 26E. 26E ala 26E gitu. Outside guys. You see that? United. You see that? Satu hal yang gue suka dari proses gue hari ini adalah orang-orang hari ini tuh kind, baik gitu kan, nice. Terus mereka juga ramah gitu, ya kan? And I'm so happy for that.
Keep your smaller items and jackets with you until we found space for the larger carry-on. Once you've found your seat,
Right? In Florida, guys.
That's Orlando. We go. Grab your seat.
Right, we just met, guys. He met me in the baggage claim. Ha ha.
I tried to get out of there. I worked it hard.
Yeah, Barb, your food's
Crying.
better. Huh?
Shaking, crying. I did everything I could to get the bill knocked off. I even said, we just